thian dun pani an lo langa pakhat zawk chuan did you sleep well last night ni zan imutuyem an lo tia a thian pa chuan nui sang lim tak chung chuan yes what about you o nang imutuyem an lo tia ani chuan yes I got such a lovely dream too o mu mang thatak kala nei chuya an lo tia phur tak chuan ani chuan oh really could you tell me what exactly your dream was o tak tak mo imu mang chu min lo hril vela an tia be sei tak chuan ani chuan yes I saw a childhood friends and we are hunting bird with slingshot oh kano pan lai thian te kalo mua sairu kherin sawa kan lo fea an tia ani chuan phur tak le mak ti tak chung chuan oh really that looks fun but do you really know how to use slingshot o tak tak mo ma se sairu khera manda ni thiam tak tak ami sairu kher per vel hi thiam tak tak ami an lo ti he hoa ani chuan in ti thei faran chuan I'm the best among us most of them are love to come with me cause I have said to them too kan zinga chuan a thiam ber kan yalom an zawai mai chuan kabula kal hi an chak thina a chan po ka pek ve thin wang ani a chan po ka per thlak sa khatiang kha ka sem ve thin wang ani an tia ani chuan ngai sang mel tak chuan a thian pa chuan ena you have such kind heart my friend and keep it up ril ru thatak ini ka thian vong nung se ro an tia ani chuan usually we does it my dad told me to share with them that's why atlang puya kan ti dan ania atlang puin kan per thlak chon khatiang in sem kha kan ti dan ania kapa hian sem ve tur hian min thil thin wang ani deuh bere an tia an thil fia chuan ani chuan you're same like your father too that's why everyone loves you and keep visiting your place ipang chi ini hi ipai chun hle mai hei wang hialom in ina an lo len fowa an ngai nat em cheni an tia thian pa chun faka a thian pa chuan thanks for such a lovely compliment min fakterna awangin kalome thanks for such a lovely compliment min fakterna awangin kalome an tia ani chuan fakder an ti kha nuam ti chi alokan I'm dead serious kati tak tak alom an tia ani chuan in thlahung le nuam ti vak lo chuan let's change topic you make me uncomfortable thil dang soi tiang nuam po ka ti lawe a I thu soi khan ka oma ti nuam lo ania an tia ani chuan nui ha khak in don't be so childish no pang sia viau thin lo te an tia ani chuan I'm being serious if you keep on giving me good comments that makes me uncomfortable kati tak zet alom kati tak tak alom min fak reng kha chuan ka hati nuam lo alom min fak renga khatia ka that na lam I soi reng khan chuan keima hi nuam ka ti lo ani an tia ani chuan okay I got it are you not going to apply a new job or they have updated recently ole ka rie tun nai me ya an haron ti chu thar kha ti ve chin don lo mi I apply ve don lo mi an tia ani chuan nui sak pa beidong ti mel tak chuan no there's no point to apply this job because they already selected who's gonna get that no there's no point to apply the job because they already selected who's gonna get that ai khana lo ti ve khan hum sia lo a chan chu khana mutur te kha chu an thlang fel le to zo ka lom an lo tia beidong tak chuan ani chuan Are you being serious? How's possible? Iti tak kami. Eng tin nghe ani thei anti he hoa. Ani chuan. Are you blind or what? Each and every government job, they already selected who's gonna get that before facing examination and interview. Don't you know that? Imita del sok amoni le Sorkar na reng chuan exam le interview ma in amutur an thlang felvik to zel chu po chu israelo mo antia ani kha interview lo face na sale kha tiang ang lo apply na sa to kha ani mai thei alung oi vak lo ani mel ani I didn't know that. You have to understand because I'm an educated person. Kalau hello reng isiat thiam angai isiat thiam kangai mo achan chu le kha thiam lo mai kani hi atia ani chuan kha poiti pui lo tak chung chuan that's better in this situation. It doesn't make sense whether you're educated or uneducated person because we're here in the same boat. I have spent lots of money to get this position, but we can do nothing in this situation. He kan din huna hi chuan kha athajok le kha thiam lo in ini kha omsia omlo mo le kha thiam lo ini kha omsia omlo achan chu he kan din hun ainan reng hi he ka din hun thleng tur hian poisa tam takka senga he degree he position nei tur hen poisa tam takka senga sin ma se tun kan din mana chuan engma kan ti thei chuan lo hi mo Sorkar na an han apply ve a khatiang ang amaro chu tuna politics te enroll awang khan ti khan na khan mu thei lo kha thiam na khan omzi omlo atini chuan ani chuan makti le hoi ha pa chuan I got it. Mizoram also become worse now. Ka hre thiame tuna chuan Mizoram po a chetul tul ani ber mai hi alo ti ve a ole he video a chuan khati song kha nile sela kami conversation kan ron da tang khan hlok na ilo mu le nge kadu sakin ka be sei tak zet ani ka channel te hlok na ni lo mang thina kalom tak zet ani e thanks for watching.